Hey students, I hope you are doing well, having a good day. Today is December 16th, and today I want to talk to you about birds. I'm filming this outside thinking maybe we'll see some birds fly by, but right now we're seeing snow. But this particular picture here is a picture of a bird that I have hanging on the wall in my office. A friend of mine drew this. She gave it to me when I lived in Colorado, and I hung it on the wall of my desk. But birds are amazing. Check out these birds. They're just an amazing creature, really. And when Jesus was alive and among us on earth, he was teaching a bunch of people one time, and he said, "Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or stow away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than these birds?" It's from Matthew 6:26. What that doesn't say is that birds spend a ton of time in search of food. So it's not Jesus saying, stop worrying and everything will just be okay and you can sit back and relax. Some things just aren't okay sometimes. The birds know this too. So why does Jesus say this? Well, one possibility may be that Jesus wants us to know that there is enough. All around us is evidence of God's provision, God's goodness, God's presence among us. Jesus must have believed that if we make all the fret and all the fuss less of a focus, that we would be able to better see the abundance around us. And then, like the birds, we can use our energy, the energy given to us by God, to pursue God's good gifts, rather than using up our energy on all the fretting. Jesus did, after all, say, "I have come that you might have life and have it abundantly." Perhaps one of the first steps to abundant life is, like the birds, to see life as an existence of abundance. What do you see today? I guess that's what I want to leave with you. Where do you see God's abundance among us? Have a great day, and till next time, grace and peace.